Okay, your question is, how do you envision using the platform of this pageant to make a positive impact? Again, how do you envision using the platform of this pageant to make a positive impact?
Good evening, everyone. This pageant allows me to pursue my advocacy, which is Smart City. Candon City is slowly progressing towards a smart city, which we are known as the information communication technology that uses ICT to promote government services more efficient. And through this platform, I am able to help our local government unit of Candon to be able for our government services to be more efficient and the welfare of every Candonians is delivered. After all, I believe in this Latin maxim, pro bono et patria publico, for the good of the public and the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much.